Morning all, Patrick here. Well, I'm on to my hamburger quest again. On to hamburger number 12. Yeah, so, I couldn't do anything for a while because of all these bloody restrictions we had. But, yeah, we're heading to start that saga up again. So, let's go. So I got my burger. It's from Butler's Smokehouse in Cheltenham, and so I can't eat in there because of these COVID restrictions. So I'm heading down to the beach, park the car, and get into it. Let's see what it's like. Need a bloody haircut. Well, there's no parking down the beach because it seems like everyone's down there. So I got this burger from Butler's Smokehouse in Cheltenham. They gave it to me in a massive bag, and the burger is only this big. What a waste. Still, I don't give a shit as long as it tastes good. Let's taste it. So I got the Western burger. That's one of the burgers that they've named there. Looks good, packed well, and let's hoe into this. It's got egg, bacon, good patty on there, mayo, lettuce, onions. So it's like an Aussie burger just without the beetroot on it, I suppose. But still looks pretty good, huh? How's that? Just what you need for lunchtime. I'll tell you what it tastes like. Yum. And it's not shortcut bacon. It's middle bacon, with the outer bit that's all crispy. Regrettably, they didn't give me any napkins, which is disappointing. But check that out. So this is burger number 12. Luckily, I have my own supply of napkins in the car. Why? Because for situations like this. Look, it's not bad. The patty is nice and thick. The bun, it's sort of getting a bit soft. It's not as good as the buns that I've had with the other places prior to this. But it's pretty good. There's nothing like a burger for lunchtime. I guess what I like about this is the middle bacon. It's nice and crispy, which enhances the experience of eating the burger, I suppose. It was only $12, so good value for money. It's one of those burgers that sort of crumbles as you get towards the end, which, it's okay. I hope these lockdowns finish soon. It's just a pain. You can't go anywhere, sit down and enjoy a meal or nothing. It's the last bit left. Was it real flavour and real smoked? I didn't get any smoked taste in it. But, you know, for $12. Yeah, it was good. You know, I wouldn't rave on about it, but it hit the spot for lunchtime. So that was burger number 12. Let's push on. We'll do burger number 13 next, obviously. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you next time. So that was Butler's Smokehouse in Cheltenham. They had other burgers there, so maybe I might try something else and see what the difference is. That one was okay. Ciao for next time. Take care of yourself and be safe, please. This COVID thing is just getting out of control. Ciao for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe for future content. Ciao for now.